Hi guys, my name is Olona Sanzangabom and I am the producer as well as script editor for uMendo. uMendo is a series about a young girl who is forced into marrying a rich man. He has 2 wives already, so she's basically going to be the 3rd wife at a very young age. So it's pretty interesting. And the sad part is it's very easy for her family to submit because the same man that wants to marry their daughter is the same man that basically finances them. You will see in some of the episodes or scenes that there's parts where they are drinking together, there's parts where he gives him money and everything like that. That is all part of the bribe in order for him to agree to give her to give his daughter away, basically. So it's not that the family wants to do it, but because obviously, I mean, they don't have money and this is the only way, and back in those days this was the only way that things were done. So lobola negotiations continue. Everything is, she basically becomes the 3rd wife, and then she is ill-treated, obviously. I mean, I think that's basically what happens in most of these marriages. So she's ill-treated by the husband, by the other wives also, and obviously being that young, she's feeling left out in a lot of things that she should be actually doing at her age, right? They don't take her to school, she eventually runs away, she becomes a prostitute. A lot of things happen in this girl's life because she's now trying to pick up herself by herself. She was forced to sleep her way up. She was forced to make money like in ways that she never thought that people actually do stuff like that. But when she actually gets to the big city, it's actually a norm. It's actually things that it's done, like nobody's even looking at her funny. So, and then yes, so eventually she does that, but she does eventually get successful. You know, she gets her way in life, but she gets it hard. So all I'm asking for you guys, there's a subscribe button somewhere here, don't know where, but there's a subscribe button somewhere here. Click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell that will follow after that, so that you get notifications every time there's a post or every time there's an update.
Tatanazi inkomo lapha esibayeni sibaba ngiyenza umfazi lengane yakho ngizoyifundisa futhi unjani ufundise abayingane uzwe ngithi ngihlulo uyifundisa uzwe ngithi ngihlulo uyifundisa inshallah Hey, toilet. Zokulimaza shabalala kanti ngokufika. Cha, khamba lemusuku banekhanda.